Welcome back to Auto's Car, the channel where we take you on a nostalgic journey through the golden age of automobiles. Today we are diving into one of the most beautiful and iconic classics of the post-war era, the 1947-1952 Chevrolet Fleetline. This car represents an era when style met strength, and design met durability, creating a timeless masterpiece that still turns heads wherever it goes. The Chevrolet Fleetline first made its debut in the early 1940s, but it truly came into its own between 1947 and 1952. With its graceful fastback styling, sweeping curves, and chrome accents, the Fleetline was the perfect example of post-war American optimism captured in steel and chrome. The smooth sloping roofline gave it a sporty and aerodynamic look that stood out from the boxy designs of its time. It wasn't just a car, it was a statement of success, confidence, and elegance. Under the hood, the Fleetline was powered by Chevrolet's famous 216 cubic inch inline-six engine, often known as the Thriftmaster. This engine produced around 90 horsepower, which was quite capable for the era. It delivered a smooth and reliable drive that earned Chevrolet its reputation for durability and dependability. Later models even came with the more powerful 235 cubic inch Blue Flame engine, which further enhanced performance and reliability. The Fleetline's 3-speed manual transmission gave drivers full control over their driving experience, making every ride engaging and enjoyable. The interior of the Chevrolet Fleetline was a true blend of comfort and craftsmanship. It featured a wide bench seat, chrome trim accents, and a dashboard that combined simplicity with style. Everything inside the car was designed to make driving a pleasurable experience. The large steering wheel, analog gauges, and soft upholstery added to the overall luxury feel that was rare in mid-range cars of the time. This car wasn't just about getting from one place to another, it was about enjoying the journey in style. One of the reasons why the Fleetline remains such a beloved classic is its unique design. The fastback shape, also known as the Aerosden design, gave it a sleek and futuristic look for the late 1940s. Its popularity extended well beyond its production years, and today collectors and restorers around the world search for these models to bring them back to life. Whether you see it at a vintage car show or in a custom restomod project, the Fleetline always stands out with its graceful lines and unmistakable charm. The Chevrolet Fleetline was more than just a car. It symbolized the spirit of post-war America, a time when people were ready to move forward, embrace new designs, and enjoy the freedom of the open road. Its influence on automotive design can still be seen today in the smooth curves and flowing lines of modern cars. The Fleetline will forever remain a timeless piece of American automotive history, a reminder of when craftsmanship and style were at their peak. So if you ever get a chance to see one of these beauties in person, take a moment to admire the elegance and engineering that went into creating it. The 1947-1952 Chevrolet Fleetline is not just a car, it's a legend on wheels, a symbol of a bygone era that still shines bright today. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel Auto's Car,